So in this exercise, I'm going to wake up the abs a little bit. So this is more like a sit-up, walk forward exercise, just to really get the abdominal muscles working and woken up. So all I'm going to do is start off making sure I'm square on the ball, and I'm going to walk my feet forwards, and as I do so, I'm just going to keep my centre of mass over the top of the ball. So I'm going to walk forwards until my shoulders are on the ball, head can rest back, and then I'm just going to walk my way back up again. But the trick is to keep the centre of mass over the ball. So what we're not trying to do, this is a how not to do it. So it's coming forward, which is normally the easier part, and then what I've seen people do is get to about there and then sort of sit up and then push themselves backwards. So we're not trying to do that. It's very much as keeping the ball moving smoothly, and as you come back up, the ball comes back up as well. So we can start off like that, thinking about how we wake the abs up as we just walk the ball backwards. What we can also do in this position, of course, is get the ball on the sort of mid-back, pull your tummy in, switch on your pelvic floor, and then just roll forwards and come into a bit of a crunch there. So we're just rolling forwards, and I'm trying to get my hands to move down towards, coming between my knees, so I can work that out there, and that's going to give me a little bit of an ab workout. It's just doing some crunches essentially, and then I can push my way back up in one smooth movement, and that's how I would wake up my abs on the Swiss ball.